Up first here, Whales bought the dip as Bitcoin reclaims 40K. As Bitcoin dropped to a monthly low at $39,000 after a few days of consolidating above the $40,000 mark, some people considered it an excellent opportunity to accumulate. Minkyu Wu, a technical analyst on CryptoQuant, believes that the recent sell-off of BTC was caused by whales buying up a large sum of the cryptocurrency. He implied this based on the size of the outflow, which can only be made possible by checking the top 10 BTC outflow for spot exchanges. BTC is currently being traded at a price range of $37,000 to $40,000, which Wu sees as a critical accumulation phase. This phase has been ongoing since March of 2022, and investors are advised to buy or hold the dips if they can. In the past, when there was an increase in outflow volume, for example, people removing Bitcoin from exchanges, the market's short-term bearish sentiment soon reversed. Something similar is happening now, too, since BTC has recovered all losses and even challenged $41,000. As Wu mentioned, if Bitcoin stays below the 200 MA support line, it'll be a sign that smart money is starting to accumulate it. The chart shows that there has been an increase in buying interest as the dip into the bottom zone suggests. And here is the chart there. Uncertainties ahead of BTC. Where is that going to take us? We have some technical analysis here on Ethereum. Ethereum reaches key inflection zone. $3,100 is the key, and here is a chart of that here. Ethereum extended the decline below the $2,980 support and the 100-hourly simple moving average. ETH even broke the $2,900 level, but found a key support at $2,880. A low was formed at $2,880, and the price started steadily increasing. There was a move above the $2,980 and $3,000 resistance levels. Ether price is now trading above $3,000, and the 100-hourly simple moving average, a high forms near $3,068, and the price is now consolidating gains. It is trading above the 23.6% fib retracement level of the recent rally from the $2,880 low to the $3,068 high. On the upside, there is initial resistance near $3,070. There is also a key bearish trend line forming with resistance near $3,070 on the hourly chart of the ETH USD. The next major resistance is near the $3,080 and $3,100 levels. A close above the $3,100 level could start a steady bullish move in the short term. The next major resistance could be at $3,150 or $3,220. If Ethereum fails to gain pace above $3,100, a downside correction could begin. Initial support on the downside is near the $3,020 zone and the 100-hourly simple moving average. The next major support is near $2,980. It breaks that down here. It is close to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the recent rally from the $2,880 low to the $3,068 high. If there is a downside break below the $2,980 support, the price might start another decline. In this scenario, there are risks of a move towards the $2,880 level. It always seems like the numbers are so, they're close together. It doesn't really, mean much, make much of a difference, but it really does in terms of breaking support resistance. If you are into technical analysis, this will mean a lot more to you than some, but that is just one person's perspective there on that. Up next here, Shiba Inu to surge 10%. SHIB price may hit 0.0000277 in the next 12 hours. Here's the chart of the recent movement there. The cryptocurrency market has downturned, with SHIB experiencing a price fall along with the rest of the market. The lackluster sentiment and fears of a recession in the West were not good news for cryptocurrencies, causing prices to drop. The SHIB's coin price has been dropping in value, with a recent sell-off sending prices 12.2% lower to 0.0000242. If the coin follows a trend line, it will continue to fall until it reaches the bottom support. The coin's first major resistance level stands at 0.0000277, after which the gates open at 0.0000033. The support levels on the downside are 0.40215 or 0.40172. It's easier to say. On April 14th, it pivoted from the triangular pattern resistance trend line. Prices are trading below the 200-day EMA. The rising volume activity suggests that the price will continue its fall until it reaches the bottom support trend line. After that, the price is likely to start a new bull cycle. There is speculation that the SHIB price will break out of its current triangle formation, with the Bollinger Band range starting to tighten. Traders can look to the upper and lower bands, as well as the converging trend lines, for confirmation of this potential breakout. I'm curious to know what you guys think. What is next for SHIB's price? It definitely would be interesting to know. Up next here, cybersecurity agency issues warning over North Korean hackers. So many things are getting hacked into, I feel like, right now. Let's see what this article has to say about this. Cybersecurity company CSIA, in conjunction with the United States FBI, has warned of North Korean hackers' activities in the crypto market. This statement comes after suspected hack attacks targeting various areas of the crypto market. The most recent one was the Ronin hack, which saw traders lose significant funds to versatile hackers. The agency and the cybersecurity outfit released a joint statement urging companies and exchanges in the crypto sector to be more security conscious. The statement warned that hackers are targeting blockchains and other websites in the sector. There are many criminal groups that originate from countries such as the United States, and Lazarus is just one of them. Other notable groups include Blue Noref, Stardust, Colima, and ATP3. According to cybersecurity experts, these hackers have been targeting a variety of companies and users in the decentralized finance sector, as well as those who play games to earn rewards. They've also recently begun targeting centralized crypto exchanges. I'm always curious, like, what makes some susceptible to a hack more than others. I'm sure there's like an algorithm for that. In a chain analysis report last year, various hackers were able to amass around $400 million within their borders. However, this year is looking a lot better than the last one, with the Ronin hack wiping over $600 million from criminals. The cybersecurity team has admitted that things could get worse earlier in the year due to the many sophisticated techniques being implemented by malicious actors. That was sad. The statement said the hackers will not desist from their evil ways because of the support they enjoy from the North Korean government. Despite being sanctioned for its refusal to halt its nuclear weapons tests, the country has found help in digital assets. The document talks about how the group uses different software to target people and businesses. There are also ways to combat and eliminate threats. However, most of them include maximum security through 2FA and other means. Yes, that's a good point. Always make sure to have 2FA, two-factor authentication on whenever you can with exchanges, wallets, whatever you have, storing your digital assets, your crypto. Make sure to always be as secure as possible. It doesn't always prevent hacks, but, just be as safe as you possibly can. Up next here, Luna rallies by more than 16% today. This was posted 4 hours ago. You can see the chart there. The cryptocurrency market has had a good day. After a poor start to the week, the broader market has seen its value increase by more than 4% in the past few hours. Bitcoin is currently trading above $40,000 after dropping towards the $37,000 support level yesterday. Ether is currently trading above $3,000 after dropping to $2,800 earlier this week. However, Luna, the native token of the Terra ecosystem, is seeing the best performance amongst the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Luna is up more than 16% in the last 24 hours. This outpaces other major cryptocurrencies and shows Luna's potential for growth in the future. The Terra ecosystem stablecoin UST is currently seeing a rally in its market value. This is thanks to the coin hitting a new milestone, making it the third largest stablecoin by market cap. UST has a market cap of $17.5 billion, which is more than $17.3 billion BUSD. UST has seen an increase of over 1,000% over the past year, making it the fastest growing stablecoin in the crypto market. Luna is currently the 10th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, with a market cap of over $850 million. Its 4-hour chart shows a strong bullish trend. The coin is trading at $89 as of press time. Luna could surpass the first major resistance level at $95 today if the bulls remain in control. However, it would need the broader market support to move past the $100 mark for the second time this month. So that's pretty interesting. Kind of this new up-and-coming coin. It's doing really well. Make sure to look into that if that's something you're interested in, if you're looking to get into stable coins at a lower rate. Definitely take a look at that. And last but not least here, after a disappointing weekly close, XRP faces huge resistance. Last week, the price of Ripple went up by 10% after news of the company's complaint to the SEC was released. However, the bulls couldn't push the weekly candle into the positive, and it ended in the red. On the daily time frame, the bears defended the resistance at 0.8 and did not allow Ripple to break out of the Ichimoku cloud, pushing the price down again. Currently, the cloud is making it more difficult for XRP to succeed, while the dynamic resistance is hindering its growth. The resistance range is between 0.8 and 0.85 and should be easy to break. If the bulls can break out of this range, then the resistance at 0.93 marked red will likely be tested again. The latter is a level in that Ripple failed to break in 2022 in its previous first 2 attempts. Ripple is currently trading above the dynamic support on the 4-hour time frame. Last week's spike caused XRP to test the MA200 but failed to break above it. Then the bears pushed the price down 9% to the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.618. There is potential for Ripple to break resistance at 0.75, but if it doesn't, the support at 0.7 should be expected in the short term. If you want to see a chart of that, you can go to CoinMarketCap. You can look at, the different technical analysis there, charts of price action through there. But that is it for today. Thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment on what you want to see in the future videos, and we'll see you next time.